just out of curiosity you ended up on this video, then you are not in the wrong place, because in this video I'm going to be handling particularly Afro Dancehall beat, and I will dive deeply and handle particularly Ugandan Afro Dancehall. I'm going to be showing you from layering drums, then snares, claps, percussions, and gajo, all those instruments we are going to be putting there. Then we come to melodies, what chords we usually use to bring that Ugandan vibe. So before we go ahead, please like, share, and subscribe. So ring is basically to be counter running with kick, and it goes like this. Then we have this one again. We have hi-hats, just be there running around. It just be going like that. Then let's listen to all this drum all together, how it sounds like. Okay, there's something I forgot here. We have this chant, the spice music up also. Let's first listen to them before we go to melodies. JTK. So I double hit with this one, with this Vox. JTK Magix. So we are done with drums. Now let's go to the most important part of the music. That's melody. It gives the music direction. Because of this drum, you basically making a type of music out of it. From Afro, any kind of genre you can sing, any type of African music you can make on these drums. But now, melody will now drive the direction of everything. Now let's go straight to the melodies. We start with the chord. That's the first one. Then I had something, this one, there's this one also. But I'm going to get you the link if you want, but you can DM me or inbox me if you want the link to get it. We have this melody also, this melody. Okay, now we go and listen to the bass line that will be driving the beat crazy. Now the first bass line goes like this. That's the first bass line. Then we go to the second one. They have different grooves, and they are you will be listening to them in the beats. And the second one goes like this. And remember to also go and check it on all the social, on YouTube, JTK Magix, and TikTok, also JTK Magix, and Facebook. And we grow together. Straight to the work.